moved a long way in that. The steel plant that we are putting here, I am here in Ludhiana only because of Tata Steel's commitment to sustainability. In India, if you would ask any steel player, a blast furnace route would make way more money than scrap-based business. Way more money if you're in a given business. So for Tata Steel, if we were to expand, if we have limited capital, we also have limited capital, we would love to go through the blast furnace route. But why are we putting this scrap-based steel? Only with our vision. So we envision to hit 1.8 tons of carbon dioxide per ton of steel by 2030. And for that, we need 4 such plants. And that's the only reason why we put this. The only reason why we put this is to ensure that we hit that vision of CO2 emission as an average in India. And so Tata Steel has moved a lot since then. And there's good awareness. So we also are union leaders, our workers. We've trained everybody in sustainability. We've told them what it means. We told them what it means in the shop floor. So my urge to you, or if you're going global, I think we need to look at how we can reuse. Circular economy means you start with a product, you end back, you melt it like steel, and you reuse that product. So how we convert our supply chains, internal supply chains, maybe let's say you have a gearbox, how you can reuse it, how you can refurbish it. All these contribute to circular economy. And it's a thing which is becoming real. It's a thing which is being asked by all global players. So as I wrap up on these 3 things, quality is no longer negotiable. It is no longer a thing you negotiate on. It's your entry ticket to the global market. It's your survival ticket, in fact, in the global market. See, in a world where the expectations are rising, in a world where patience is diminishing, every product that you sell, it takes your reputation along with you. So in a world where you got so less diminishing patience, one-off product, one-off heat in steel terms, and off your reputation goes along with that. So quality is no longer negotiable. Technology is no longer optional. It's going to be the backbone on which we are going to compete. So, data-driven decisions at ground level, connected equipments like the sensors, these are going to be your competitive advantage today, but it's going to be a necessity tomorrow. It's going to be a necessity tomorrow. The faster we embrace it, the better. And sustainability is no longer a moral obligation. It's no longer becoming a moral obligation. It's going to be a strategic decision. The global markets are demanding it already. And the climate, environment, the planet is already demanding it. And most importantly, our future generations will demand it. So I think as manufacturers here, as we look at this next decade of great growth in India, I think rather than just focusing on output, kitna nikla, I think we should look at being the most respected, most trusted, and most reliable manufacturer. Thank you.